Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to froth milk on a Philips 4400 coffee machine. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my Philips 4400 coffee machine, and I'm going to show you how to easily froth milk. Now basically, on the Philips 4400, you have this container right here. This is called the Latte Go, okay? I believe I'm pronouncing that properly. And essentially, this is what's going to be used to froth the milk. So what you want to do is you want to remove it, okay? So just like this, you're going to remove it, okay? And when it's removed, you're going to fill it up with milk, okay? When you filled it up with milk, you're going to put it back on properly like that. And in order to fill it up with milk, once it has been removed, you just lift off this cap, you pour the milk directly into there, and then you can put the cap back on just like that. Make sure it's nicely on there, and you're good. Once it's been filled up with milk and the Latte Go container is on the machine nicely, you are ready to froth some milk. So essentially what you want to do is you want to either choose an option over here that has froth milk in it. So these are like options with coffee and froth milk, right? You can choose one of those options, or you can just go to straight up froth milk, and that's what I'm going to do for this tutorial. So I'm going to go to more drinks. I'm going to go to hot. I'm going to go down to milk froth, okay? And you can just choose how much milk froth you want. Once you've chosen the amount, you're going to push this to froth it. So I'm just going to stick with a low number, 40 milliliters, and we're going to froth the milk. Make sure your mug or your cup is in line with the frothing mechanism. And yeah, it'll just give it a moment. It'll just froth the milk directly into the mug. It's literally that simple. You're just going to start up in just a moment. And essentially, yeah, it's really easy to do. So if you just give it a moment, to be honest with you, usually it's a little bit faster, but I've usually done it where the machine has already been sort of heated up and stuff like that. It seems to be a little bit faster usually, but I guess because I just plugged it in, it's taking a few extra moments. But there it is. As you can see, it is frothing the milk. Really easy to do, and that's it. It was just a small amount that I chose, and it's done. It's literally that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial, and I've got nothing else to show you, nothing else to say, so with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.